Are out-of-stock products appearing before available items in your store and making it harder for customers to find products they can actually buy? The Addify Priority Sorting for In-Stock Products module solves this problem by automatically displaying all in-stock products at the top of category while moving out-of-stock products to the end. This improves product visibility, enhances the customer shopping experience, and helps increase conversions by showing purchasable products first. Let's take a closer look at how the module works. Navigate to Modules, then open the Module Manager. Locate Addify Sort Product in Stock first, and click Configure to open the Settings panel. General Settings. In the General Settings tab, enable the module to activate its functionality across your store. Now navigate to the Rules tab. Here, you can manage all previously created rules or create new ones based on your store requirements. Click the Edit icon to modify an existing rule. Click the plus icon to create a new rule. Enable the rule to make it active on the front end. Enter a rule name so you can easily identify it later in the rules list. Set the rule priority to define which rule should execute first when multiple rules overlap. Enable Choose Groups to apply this rule only to selected customer groups, such as visitor, guest, or customer. Leave this option disabled to apply the rule to all customer groups. Toggle All Store if you want the sorting rule to apply across the entire shop. If you disable this option, you can apply the rule selectively by enabling the following options. Choose categories to apply the rule to specific product categories. Choose manufacturer to target products from selected manufacturers. Choose suppliers to apply the rule to products from specific suppliers. You can also enable the scheduler option to run the rule during a specific time period. Simply select the start date and end date to automatically activate and deactivate the rule when needed. Once all settings are configured, click Save to apply changes. Now, let's head to the front end and see how the module refines your product's listing. Click the subscribe button to stay updated on our feature-rich modules, and share this video with your friends so they can benefit from our smart PrestaShop solutions too. Thank you for watching.